What you see here is a table of employees. We have an ID of an employee, we have their name, we have the department they work in, and we have how much money they make during their work. This data can be sorted, limited, and analyzed in that way, and this is what we're learning today. So to sort data, we use the order by clause. An order by clause helps us to sort data in a specific manner that we specify to the database. So if we say that we want to sort the data by ID in a descending manner, we will now see that our ID starts from 10 and ends at 1. We see that our ID is starting at 10 and ending at 1. If we want to order it by employee, we can also do that. We can see that now our first employee is William and the last employee is Edward. So this is how the order by clause works. If we want to limit data, we just simply say that we want to limit ourselves to the first X rows. So if we say limit 3, our database will return 3 rows. As you can see, Todd, Jack, and Sarah. The same works if we want to specify the first number. So this says limit ourselves to the first 3 rows, starting from the first one. The database starts from 0 because it counts 0 as 1 in human speech. Make sure not to mark anything, because some SQL clients may think that you want to execute the things you mark. So we now see that we have 3 employees because we specified that we want to select everything from the employees table and limit ourselves to the first 3 results. If we increase the number, we will see that now the first 4 results are returned. The same thing goes if we increase the number from 0. So if we say we want to get 2 results starting from the second one, so we say 1, which is 2, and 2 results, so 2 results starting from the second one, and we now see that we received Jack and Sarah, which is 2 and 3. So this is how sorting and limiting results works. In the real world, order by and limit is often combined. So if we have the same table, and if we want to proceed with, for example, pagination in our application, we may say with the same query, we may want to limit ourselves to 2 results from the top, because maybe our pages are only limited to 2 results, and we will have 2 results from the top. For the second page, we may have to increase this number from the second row, 2 results, and we'll have third and fourth result. For the third page, we may start from the 4th row, we may have 5th and 6th row, and so on and so forth. Order by and limit can also be combined. So if we tell our database that we want to select the ID, employee, and salary from employees, and we want to sort data by salary in a descending manner, and we want to return 5 results, we will see that the database returns 5 results ordered by salary in descending manner, so from 80,000 to 50,000, and it only limits itself to 5 results. We can also order data by multiple columns. So for example, order by ID in a descending manner and salary in a descending manner, limit 3. We will also see that we have 3 result sets in such a manner. So this is how order by and limit clauses work. I hope you enjoyed the short tutorial. I hope that you will share this YouTube channel with your friends, and see you next time.